welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is nouns. A noun is the name of a person, place or thing. The word thing includes all living and non-living things, ideas, concepts, qualities, feelings, states, etc. Examples: Sachin, Saina, Kanpur, animal, bird, tiger, fish, car, unity, freedom, bravery, pride, etc. ये सारे आपके noun के examples हैं. Let's study about collective nouns. A singular noun that represents a group of nouns is called a collective noun. अब एक single noun जो बहुत सारे group of nouns को represent करता है वो आपका collective noun होता है. Example: given below are some examples of collective nouns. Examples: a bunch of key or grapes, a bundle of sticks, a class of students, a team of players, a flock of sheep or birds, a fleet of ships, buses or taxis. An army of soldiers, a crowd of people, a jury of judges, a herd of deer, elephants or cattle, a hive of bees, a litter of puppies, a clump of trees, a galaxy of stars, a swarm of flies, locusts or bees, a shoal of fish, a band of musicians, a choir of singers, a pack of wolves, dogs or cars, and a board of directors. All these are collective nouns. One word is representing a group of other nouns. Now the assessment zone: choose the suitable collective nouns from the following box and write them in the blank spaces. So a collection of bees is known as a flock of bees. और what else? अभी हमने ऊपर पढ़ा भी था, it is known as a hive of bees. Beehive भी हम जिसे बोलते हैं. Then we have the abstract nouns. An abstract noun is the name of a quality, state, feeling, action or idea. Example: goodness, kindness, darkness, honesty, wisdom, bravery, laughter, theft, movement, hatred, childhood, youth, slavery, death, poverty, etc. So abstract nouns and their opposites. Most of the abstract nouns have their opposites. For a good vocabulary and sound knowledge of the English language, learn the opposites of the abstract nouns given below. तो हर abstract noun के आपके opposites होते ही हैं. Let's study them. Ability, inability, acceptance, rejection, addition, subtraction, agreement, disagreement, arrival, departure, assent, dissent, bareness, fertility, then belief, disbelief or unbelief, blessing, curse, bravery, cowardice, certainty, doubt, collection, dispersal, completion, beginning, contraction, expansion. Then absence, presence, action, inaction, advantageous, disadvantageous, appearance, disappearance, artificiality, naturalness, attack, defense, beauty, ugliness, bitterness, sweetness, boldness, timidity, brightness, dullness, clarity, vagueness, comedy, tragedy, consciousness, unconsciousness, coolness, warmth. Then you have correction, error, credit, debit, darkness, brightness, decrease, increase, despair, hope, enmity, friendship, exclusion, inclusion, exterior, interior, fall, rise, frame, notoriety, farewell, welcome, fortune, misfortune, frown, smile, guilt, innocence, haughtiness, humility, height, depth, honor, dishonor, shame, immorality, morality, industry, laziness, injustice, justice, kindness, cruelty, loss, profit, loyalty, disloyalty, mobility, immobility, morality, immorality. Creation, destruction, danger, safety, death, life, delay, haste, difficulty, ease, entrance, exit, export, import, failure, success, falsehood, truth, familiarity, strangeness, folly, wisdom, freedom, slavery, gain, loss, hardness, softness, heaven, hell, honesty, dishonesty, hostility, friendliness, improvement, deterioration, inferiority, superiority, joy, sorrow, knowledge, ignorance, love, hatred, mildness, harshness, moisture, dryness, motion, rest. Then we have opposition, support, perfection, imperfection, plenty, scarcity or paucity, quietness, noise, roughness, smoothness, savings, expenditure, sin, virtue, tolerance, intolerance, victory, defeat, peace, war, pleasure, displeasure, punishment, reward, regularity, irregularity, rudeness, politeness, security, insecurity, stability, instability, utility, futility, visibility, invisibility. Now the assessment zone. Some abstract nouns and their opposites are given in the box below. Find the pairs and opposites and write them in the suitable columns. अब danger का opposite क्या हो सकता है? Danger का opposite हो सकता है something which is safe. Now formation and abstract nouns from adjectives. We can form abstract nouns from adjectives by adding suffixes like ness, itty, ins, and cy etc. to them. अब abstract को हम इन सारी terms को suffix की तरह add करके ending में लगा के हम abstract noun खुद बना सकते हैं by adding ness. Adjective is bitter, bitterness. Lonely, loneliness. Eager, eagerness. Wicked, wickedness. Selfish, selfishness. Good, goodness. Happy, happiness. Ugly, ugliness. Idle, idleness. Sweet, sweetness. Keen, keenness. Swift, swiftness. Sad, sadness. And serious, seriousness. End में हमने ness लगा दिया, वो उसका आपका normal noun का आपका दूसरा बन गया abstract noun. By adding ity, active, activity, equal, equality, inferiority, civil, civility, grave, gravity, mental, mentality, regular, regularity, popular, popularity, curious, curiosity, generous, generosity, real, reality, pure, purity, stupid, stupidity, vital, vitality, similar, similarity, and timid, timidity. By adding ity to the adjectives ending in ible or able with a slight change in the spelling, able, ability, capable, capability, possible, possibility, probable, probability, suitable, suitability, and visible, visibility. By adding ty, certain, certainty, cruel, cruelty, loyal, loyalty, novel, novelty, and by changing ent into ence and ant into ance, absent, absence, brilliant, brilliance, confident, confidence, ignorant, ignorance, excellent, excellence, important, importance. By changing t or te into cy, accurate, accuracy, decent, decency, efficiency, efficient, efficiency, private, privacy, urgent, urgency, frequent, frequency, secret, secrecy, and vacant, vacancy. Then you have some miscellaneous nouns converted into abstract nouns also. For example, you have brave, bravery, broad, breadth, compulsory, compulsion, deep, depth, high, height, grand, grandeur, humble, humility, just, justice, moist, moisture, poor, poverty, rival, rivalry, splendid, splendor, supreme, supremacy, brief, brevity, false, falsehood, jealous, jealousy, long, length, necessary, necessity, pious, pity, proud, pride, solitary, solitude, strong, strength, true, truth, wide, width, wise, wisdom, young, youth. Just constantly इनको रिवाइज करते रहिए ताकि आपको ये मेमोराइज हो जाए. Now assessment zone. Fill in the blanks with the abstract nouns formed from the given words given in the brackets. His loyalty and honesty are above suspect. So ये आपके सारे examples हैं. Now formation of abstract nouns from verbs. Abstract nouns can be formed from verbs by adding suffixes like sion, tion, th, ness, ment, ity, ence, age, etc. to them by adding sion or tion. Now we have verb on the one side and abstract noun on the other side. Correct, correction, collaborate, collaboration, create, creation, direct, direction, include, inclusion, invade, invasion, act, action, protect, protection, imagine, imagination, repeat, repetition, deceive, deception, introduce, introduction, delete, deletion, and remit, remission. Contradict, contradiction, found, foundation, deposit, deposition, decide, decision, exclude, exclusion, provide, provision, invent, invention, destroy, destruction, invite, invitation, attract, attraction, educate, education, receive, reception, secrete, secretion, and omit, omission. Now by adding th, bear, birth, grow, growth, die, death, heal, health. By adding ment, punish, punishment, state, statement, increase, increment, merry, merriment, pay, payment, treat, treatment, appoint, appointment, move, movement, judge, judgment, adjust, adjustment. By adding y, discover, discovery, unite, unity. By adding al, dismiss, dismissal, arrive, arrival, bury, burial, try, trial. By adding ance, assist, assistance, abound, abundance, continue, continuance, remit, remittance. By adding age, break, breakage, marry, marriage, leak, leakage, carry, carriage, pass, passage, waste, wastage. Then you have certain miscellaneous, advise, advise, fly, flight, choose, choice, know, knowledge, practice, practice, lose, loss, shake, shock, proof, proof. Strike, stroke, wave, weight, believe, belief, depart, departure, fail, failure, flow, fluency, hot, heat, hate, hatred, live, life, laugh, laughter, think, thought, please, pleasure, speak, speech, see, and then sight. Now you have assessment zone. Fill in the blanks with the noun forms of the words given in the brackets. An agreement was signed between the landlord and the tenant. Now one word for a group of words. Sometimes a word stands for a group of words. Given below are some nouns along with a group of words they stand for. Now learn them. एक word होता है, एक noun होता है, उसका एक मतलब निकल के आता है. जैसे one word given है, group of words. Announcer, a person who announces programs in the radio or television. Architect, a person who designs buildings. Athlete, a person who is good at running, jumping, swimming, etc. Author, a person who writes books. Baker, a person who bakes bread. Burglar, a person who breaks into a house to steal. Cartoonist, a person who draws cartoons. Cashier, a person who receives and pays out money in a bank, office, shop, etc. Chemist, a person who sells medicines. Conductor, a person who sells tickets on a bus. Confectioner, a person who makes and sells cakes and sweets. Detective, a person who investigates crimes. Dyer, a person who dyes clothes. Editor, a person who checks the accuracy of writings for newspapers, books, magazines, etc. Engineer, a person who plans and makes machines. Fishmonger, a person who sells fish. Florist, a person who sells flowers. Greengrocer, a person who sells fruit and vegetables. Jeweler, a person who deals in gold, diamond and silver jewelry. Journalist, a person who writes for a newspaper or magazine. Judge, a person who judges cases at a court. Lawyer, a person who practices law. Electrician, a person who repairs electrical gadgets. Plumber, a person who repairs water fittings. Painter, a person who paints pictures and buildings. Optician, a person who deals in goggles and spectacles. Policeman, a person who takes care of law and order in the society. Porter, a person who carries luggage of passengers at a railway station. Surgeon, a person who performs medical operations. And pilot, a person who flies aeroplanes. तो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स के लिए एक ही वर्ड यूज करा जाता है और उस एक वर्ड से ही पूरा का पूरा वर्ड्स जो सेंटेंस होता है वो समअप हो जाता है. असेसमेंट जोन. Match the words in column A with those in the column B and rewrite them in your notebook. So column A in optician, correct one is option number H, sells spectacles and goggles. Then fill in the blanks. A dash is a place where one can board a train and this is a station. So students, with this also we are done with this chapter. Revise all the things that we have done today. Rest of the exercise questions, please do it yourselves.